Today I'm going to talk to you about what to do if you're involved in a car wreck. Many times people are in a wreck and they just don't know what to do. First, make sure to call the police if you are involved in a wreck. Many times people will try to suggest or ask you not to call the police for a variety of reasons. Make sure that you call the police and get them on the scene as soon as possible. Although the wreck may appear fairly straightforward, the police officers will come to the scene, document the date, time, location, any weather conditions that may be involved, and other factors in the wreck. The police will also hopefully speak with any witnesses, obtain their contact information, and photograph the scene. So if you're in a wreck, make sure that you call the police and make an appropriate report. Also, if you're injured in a wreck, certainly you should seek medical treatment as soon as possible. Whether that involves a ride in the ambulance to the emergency room or having a friend or loved one take you to the emergency room, if you're injured, you should seek medical treatment immediately. Many times, the injuries are not apparent and you feel okay immediately following the wreck, but in a few hours or perhaps the next day, you begin to suffer. If that's the case, seek medical treatment immediately. Your health and well-being should be first and foremost. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that any witnesses to the wreck are documented. Whether you yourself get their name and phone number and email address or have a friend or loved one, make sure that the witnesses' information is gathered. They may become critical later on in the process. You also want to make sure that there are photographs taken not only of the vehicles involved, but also the lay of the land, so to speak, where the wreck occurred, the intersection or streets involved, also any debris in the roadway, skid marks in the roadway. Those types of physical evidence following a wreck can become very important. You also want to report the wreck to your insurance company. And then finally, if you suffered injuries in a car crash, you should contact a lawyer to discuss your options. Thank you for listening. Feel free to call for a consultation, 913-451-9500. Thank you.